Hello everybody. Today I'm here. You can see this is our land, and today I'm here for planting monster. The you can see the land are prepared for planting monster, and we have some fertilizer and other. So sometime before we are. I'm so tired. Where is our road? Then that they come here for this fertilizer to hurry. Here you can see the fertilizer bag with almost 50 kg. And that's not a matter. Matter is the too much far away. Okay, here is more. The road is not easy. The whole area are preparing for planting monster. You can see. Look at this. So one thing I say, everybody should to work their own. Okay, their own work. Okay, because